Welcome to the June update for HyperSpin 2. The big update for this month is that we're now in open beta. Until now, we've kept our beta access limited to just Platinum users while we work out some of our core features and ideas. That group helped us shake out a lot of big stuff, and now we're at a point where the next step is getting real-world setups involved. This still is a beta, so expect bugs and issues to crop up, but as they do, if you take a look, we have a bug tracker now. You can simply submit your bugs there. They are reviewed by the team, and we do put up builds almost every single day, so please stay tuned. One of the features that has seen lots of updates over the past couple of months is our marquee system. HyperMarquee is now fully integrated with HyperSpin. One of the first things you'll notice is marquees now have video support. This is part of our new dynamic system. With this, we just reuse assets that you already have. Our animation engine brings in your background, your logo, and your video snap to make a truly unique looking marquee for every single game. That being said, we still do support standard marquee images. So if you have something custom you've made over the years, all of those are still supported. All of these settings can be set at the root level, the system level, and even the game level. So if you have certain preferences, certain games that you want to look a certain way, you can absolutely do that. And you still have our override system. So if you have something that you want to use that maybe isn't available for download from us, drop it in the overrides folder and away you go. Once you have your system installed and the media is there, this just works. Moving on to a couple of changes inside of HyperSpin, system intro videos are now dynamic. Every time you hover over an item on the wheel, it'll dynamically create a system intro video for that system for you. If you've been using HyperSpin as long as we have, you know that those system intro videos can get a bit stale. Now, no two visits are the same. This system is based off of games that you have actually installed. We use an internal weight system that takes into consideration things like how often you've played a game, how long you played that game, the system's rating, the game's rating, to generate something that's a little bit more tailored to you and your interests. The more that you play, the better your intros will get. And another big deal for us is HyperOverlay is now officially available. When you launch a game, it gives you a nice loading animation and hides the startup of your emulators. When you pause, it gives you an overview. It shows you your achievements. It lets you view your manuals, view some media. You can edit and change your save states or even load a save state. You can also resume, restart, or even quit the game. This is also automatically configured and ready to go out of the box. It reuses your assets that you've already downloaded for the system. Your background images, your logos are already there and ready to use. Once you're all set up, all you do is enable the feature and you're ready to go. So HyperTheme is now not just a desktop app, it's a web app with a theme builder fully available online. That means you don't actually have to have HyperSpin installed on your machine to use the theme builder. It also has a full online browsing catalog where you can check out all the latest themes, check out who has created them, take a look at what authors are doing, and even remix a theme. So if you see a theme that you love and you maybe want to change a little bit of the timing or add your own little spin on it, rather than starting from scratch, you hit the remix button and it creates a complete copy for you to view and edit and animate to your liking. Along with that, we've made some changes to make mobile browsing a little bit cleaner and easier to use. Now, you won't be able to use a theme builder from your phone yet, but what we do have is the ability to browse and download and trigger downloads from your phone to your computer. So if you have HyperHQ running, you find a theme that you want, one button click and the theme goes straight over to your machine and it's ready for you to use. HyperHQ has seen some massive updates this month. Our related game system will help you find games that are related to some of your favorites and help you explore your library. The save game management system has gotten a little bit better with better backups, better history, and a little bit better tracking. Controllers have seen a major improvement as well. There's a couple of boards that have X input, for instance, that may emit multiple controllers from a single PCB. And now HyperHQ handles that situation much, much cleaner. It shows you how many players is on a PCB and gives you options to not only rename and reassign them, but see inputs for them separately. Lots and lots of emulators have seen updates as well. Xbox 360 import has gotten a huge update. Pinball Effects now has its own custom pinball table picker. Steam imports are now a lot cleaner. MAME has seen lots of filtering and custom ROM set updates. BIOS detection across the board has been improved quite a bit. Manuals now have an interactive flipbook. And we added support for things like game notes, metadata locks, sorting, filtering, and a bunch of other quality of life improvements across the entire application. We also did some work to support Windows Sleep as well as auto start for both HyperHQ and HyperSpin. For those of you that put your cabinets to sleep rather than fully shutting them down, this will make recovery from that event much cleaner, and HyperSpin will be ready to use the moment that you turn it back on. We've also had a ton of updates across our entire ecosystem. That includes updates to our bug tracking system, Hyperlist, and of course our documentation. If you haven't checked out our docs yet, please do. Give us lots of feedback. This is going to be our hub for showing you all of the changes that are going to be happening in HyperHQ. It's searchable, it's filterable, and it should cover everything that you need to get started. Before we go, I want to take a moment to thank all of our internal testers and everybody who's given us feedback, both positive and negative, over the past couple of months. Without you, we would have never gotten this far, and I genuinely thank you guys for all of your time. That's all for this time. Stay awesome.